Configuring Monday.com columns is a straightforward process that allows you to customize your workflow and track the information that matters most to your team. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to configure. First, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your board to add a new column. A drop-down menu will appear with various column types to choose from, including text, date, people, and more. Select the column type that best fits your needs. Next, give your column a name and description. This will help you and your team understand the purpose of the column and what information it should contain. You can also customize the column settings by clicking on the three dots icon next to the column name. One of the most powerful features of Monday.com columns is the ability to add formulas and automations. For example, you can use a formula to calculate the total cost of a project or automate a task assignment when a certain condition is met. When configuring your columns, it is essential to consider the data type and formatting. For instance, if you are tracking dates, you can set the column to display the date in a specific format, such as mm/dd/yyyy. You can also set up validation rules to ensure that users enter data in the correct format. To make the most out of your columns, it is crucial to establish clear naming conventions and organize them in a logical order. This will help your team quickly understand the information and make informed decisions. Best practices for configuring Monday.com columns include keeping your column names concise and descriptive, using consistent formatting throughout your board, and regularly reviewing and updating your column settings to ensure they remain relevant to your workflow. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure your Monday.com columns to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and drive productivity. With a well-organized and customized board, you and your team can focus on what matters most, achieving your goals and delivering exceptional results.